Hello Virgos and Virgo rising, Mercury, Jupiter and Venus. Cross watchers, you're all welcome to my channel. Welcome to Mercury Feeder channel. Thank you guys for everything. I love you guys. I love you Virgos. I'm a Virgo myself. Please help my channel to grow by subscribing to my channel, by liking, writing in the comment section. I really want to hear from you, how my reading resonates with you, and also by sharing. Also hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much. I love you Virgo. So without further ado, let's dig into your reading. Please, universe, reveal to me the energies that are surrounding Virgos today. What are the energies over my Virgos today? My Virgo gang, my Virgo nation. Universe, you have the King of Cups just literally dropped. That's the crown of my reading, Virgos. Universe, please reveal to me the energies that are surrounding Virgos today. We have the Page of Pentacles. Wow. What are the energies that are surrounding Virgos today? Universe, please reveal to me the energies that are surrounding Virgos today. Universe, please reveal to me the energies that are surrounding Virgos today. One more. We have the Queen of Pentacles. Wow. Then we have the Strength card. Some of you Virgos could be dealing with a Leo. Then we have the Four of Swords. We have the High Priestess. Using your intuition. Then we have the Hangman. This is another intuition card. Wow. The universe is emphasizing on this. The bottom of the deck. Wow, we have the Ten of Cups. Wow, these are beautiful energies. We have the Eight of Cups. No, sorry, we have the Five of Cups universe. This is someone crying over split milk. But what you don't see behind, there's two cups still standing upright behind you. So if this person can just look back, you see that he still has choices. He has not lost everything. This is a card of loss. You have not lost everything. Wow, there was someone who was stealing. Can you see that? This someone who steals, who lies. There's a thief, a liar. This is a vampire energy. Stealing, lying. Someone was stealing and lying and consuming all your energies, all your glory. Someone was stealing your glory, stealing your star, your destiny. Or it could be someone in your place of work, or a colleague, or a friend, or a neighbor who has this negative energy around you. There's a negative energy around you, and could have left to this Five of Cups. Could have led to this loss. You experience loss, but what you don't see coming is this Ten of Cups. Someone could have snatched your lover from you, your home, your children, or someone could have taken your position from you, Virgos, in the past. So let's get into your reading and get more messages. In the crown of your reading, you have the King of Cups. This could be someone who is offering you love. This is someone who is very, very emotional, someone who is very caring. This is a provider. This is someone who is very, very kind, who knows what he wants. There could be someone coming to give you this happy ending. This home, children. There could be someone coming to you. It could be this King of Cups energy. It's going to offer you commitment, love, marriage, contracts, blessings, and you could have kids with this person, Virgos. Wow. They have a message coming in, a message of abundance coming in. Some of you Virgos could be dealing with an adolescent. This could be your kids, or this could be a younger energy you are dealing with, Virgos. But there's a message coming in. It could be in the form of DM, email, phone calls. There's a message of money, message of abundance coming in to you. You're in your reading. This is the Queen of Pentacles. This is Virgo energy. This is someone who has abundance, someone who is secured, someone who has a lot of possessions. Wow. They have the Strength energy. This is confidence. You have a lot of confidence, Virgos. Then we have the Four of Swords energy. This is resting. This relaxation. You are not thinking too much anymore. You are not over-analyzing anymore. You are just letting it be. You are leaving everything for the universe to take absolute control. You are using more of your intuition instead of your critical thinking. You are being intuitive lately, Virgos. You are being in a position and you are using your intuition right here. So let's clarify these cards and get more messages for my Virgo nation. Universe, please repeat to me. Why is the King of Cups here? We have the counterpart. Wow, this is good manifestation. We have the Queen of Pentacles already there. This is the divine counterpart, which is the King of Pentacles. Wow, this is clarifying the King of Cups. We need another card. Please, universe, reveal to me why is the King of Cups here at the crown of my reading for Virgos. Universe, please reveal to me why is the King of Cups here at the crown of my reading for Virgos. We have Two of Swords. Someone might have put you in a tripartite situation. Someone might have put you in a triangle situation, which led to this heartbreak. Could it be the King of Pentacles? Could it be another Virgo? Were you dealing with another Virgo? Capricorn or Taurus? But I'm seeing two energies, King of Pentacles and the King of Cups, hovering around you. So let's verify. Why is the Page of Pentacles here for my Virgos? Why is the Page of Pentacles here for my Virgos? Please, universe, reveal to me. What is the Page of Pentacles here for my Virgos? Ten of Swords. Painful ending. Painful ending. So a few Virgos could be ending a relationship. Universe, please reveal to me. What is the Page of Pentacles here for my Virgos? Bible. We have the Lovers. I can't make this up. There is some of you Virgos could be having an issue with a loved one. Some of you Virgos, someone chose someone over you. Someone chose someone over you, which made the relationship to come to an abrupt end, and it led to this heartbreak. Let's get more messages. Universe, please read to me. Why is the Queen of Pentacles here for my Virgos? Why is the Queen of Pentacles here for my Virgos? Universe, please reveal to me. Why is the Queen of Pentacles here for my Virgos? We have the Ace of Wands. This is a passionate offer coming in from the universe. Somebody is coming towards you, Virgos. It could be this King of Pentacles or the King of Cups. This Ace of Wands is clarifying the Queen of Pentacles. This is you, Virgos. This is your energy right here. And I'm seeing a strong Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio energy coming towards you. And this universe is blessing you with an opportunity of love, passionate new beginnings. It's coming towards you, Virgos. And we have the Temperance energy right here. You have to have the virtue of patience. You see the angel pouring in water from one cup to the other. There's somebody coming in with an offer of love, and is a gift from the universe. You have to have that virtue of patience, and it's coming towards you, Virgos. It's here already. Universe, please reveal to me why is the strength here for my Virgos? Why is the strength here for my Virgos? Why is the strength here for my Virgos? Virgos, you are an earth sign, and the opposite of your sign is the water sign. Well, what I'm getting from here, I'm seeing some of you Virgos were dealing with a Gemini. Some of you Virgos were dealing with an air sign. An air sign are crazy lovers. They like crazy things, and Virgos don't like crazy things, except they have that trust. They have that trust for you. They might have studied you, then they have developed that trust for you before a Virgo can become crazy. Virgos are very reserved. you Virgos, we are dealing with a Gemini that puts you in a tripartite situation, which led to an outbreak, and there was an abrupt ending to a relationship. It could be a contract, it could be business, it could be job, it could be marriage, it could be an engagement or a commitment. But there's an offer now from the universe. There's an offer from a King of Pentacles or a King of Cups towards you. I know Virgos, they are all about their securities and their money, but sometimes you need love as well. You need love, and we are in Cancer season. This is the time for friendship. So let's clarify this strength energy. Why is the strength here for my Virgos? Universe, please utilize the strength here for my Virgos. Universe, please read to me. Why is the strength here for my Virgos? We have the Six of Cups. Some of you Virgos, someone from your past, someone from your youthful age is coming back to you with an offer of love. This person is coming towards you. It could be a Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpios. It could even be someone from your past life is coming towards you with an offer of love. Wow. Some of you could be dealing with a Leo as well. Some of you could be dealing with Sagittarius. Some of you could be dealing with another Virgo, Taurus, or Capricorn. Some of you could be dealing with a Gemini. Wow. I need one more card. Why is the strength card here for my Virgos? Please you read to me. What is the strength card here for my Virgos? We have the Seven of Swords. You see, this is a narcissist. This is a negative energy, someone who steals, who lies. You have some people in your energy that will steal from you, lying to you, stealing your glory, stealing your shine. And it could have led to this outbreak. But there's an end to it. There's an end, an abrupt end to these energies, these negative energies. There's an abrupt end to these negative energies. Virgos. Let's play the cards. Too many cards. Universe, please read to me. Why is the Four of Swords here for my Virgos? Why is the Four of Swords here for my Virgos? Universe. We have the Eight of Swords. This is negative thinking, negative thoughts. This disbelief, this someone who is always in their head, this imbalance. I believe this is a past energy. There was someone who is a narcissist that a Virgo we're dealing with in the past that led to loss, that that led to this loss of communication, and this person is someone who is an energy vampire, and it has made Virgos to be in a state of negativity. But what you need to do, Virgos, is to come out of this state. Negative attracts negatives, and positive attract positives. So you have to come out of this state of negativities, Virgos. You have to come out of this state of negativities. A lot of negative thoughts have clouded your judgment, Virgos, so that you can have this rest. You need to put your mind at rest. You need to relax and hand over everything to the universe, Virgos. I need one more card. We have the 8 of Wands, but there's a fast communication moving towards you. There's a positive, fast communication moving towards you. You have to let go of that negative mindset, so that you can be able to receive this message, so that you can be able to communicate properly when this message comes. There's a message coming towards you. Passionate messages, passionate new beginnings is here on the horizon for you, Virgos. Wow. Let's clarify. Why is the High Priestess here for my Virgos? Why is the High Priestess here for my Virgos? Universe, please reveal to me. Why is the High Priestess here for my Virgos? We have the 5 of Cups. This is someone feeling he has lost everything. But what you don't see behind you, you still have 2 cups upright. You still have options. This is someone who is thinking he has lost everything, no options, no choices to make anymore. But if you look behind you, Virgo, there's 2 choices standing upright. So you have to open your mind's eye. You have to be relaxed. You have to use your intuition, so that you can be able to see this offer that is coming in, and this offer is coming in very fast. Fast communication coming in from this King of Cups and this King of Pentacles right there. They are coming, they are in your energies, Virgos. They are coming. They are coming towards you. Right here. I need one more card. Then we have the 10 of Pentacles. This abundant wealth, riches. Wow. Wow. You have to let go of the past. Something came to an end. You have to let go. There's a new beginning here for you, Virgos. There's a new beginning. Some of you, Virgos, the person could be coming in from your past. Some of you, Virgos, is a new energy that is coming in for you. So let's clarify, why is the Hangman here? Universe, please repeat to me, why is the Hangman here? Please remember, why is the Hangman energy here for my Virgos? We have the Ace of Swords. There's an offer, there's a communication, divine communication. There's a communication coming in. You have 2 aces now in your reading. There's a communication coming in for you. You have used your intuition. You have been in a position for a very long time, and you have to use your intuition, Virgos, because there's a communication coming in pretty fast. A proposal is coming in pretty fast, and is a blessing from the universe. And then we have the Chariot. Can make this up. I can't make this up. This forward movement coming towards you, and it's coming in pretty fast. This is the major arcana. This is the minor arcana here. Virgos. 8 of Wands. This is the major arcana. This Chariot. This is the Cancer energy. There could be a Cancer coming in towards you. Virgos. Wow. Let's clarify this 10 of Cups. Universe, please reveal to me why is the 10 of Cups here for my Virgos. Universe, please reveal to me why is the 10 of Cups here for my Virgos. We are having, wow, recognition, public recognition. This is the victory. The victory song. This is the victory, yeah. You are going to triumph, Virgos. You are going to be the winner. Oh, he who laughs last. He who laughs last, laughs best. He who laughs last, laughs best. Wow, he's triumphant. Wow. Yeah. Need one more card to qualify this 10 of Cups. Maybe this is you for me. You have Judgment. Your enemies are going to be judged, and it's going to be in your favor. Judgment upon your enemies, Virgos, and you are going to have victory. God doesn't lie. This triumphant, this victory, this recognition, this prosperity. People are going to recognize you. People will start seeing you, Virgos. You are going to be on top. You are going back to your throne. You are going back to your throne, Virgos. You are going back to your throne. People are going to recognize you. They are going to sing your praise. Wow, beautiful energies. A lot of beautiful energies right here, and a lot of revelations. Wow. Thank you. Let me just get advice. Universe, please, what advice do you have for my Virgo nations today? What advice do you have for my Virgo nations? Two of Swords, you have a choice to make. This is balance. Balance is coming in. Is fairness. And we have what? The 5 of Swords. You see? Is that you see them? This is fight, so you have to go away. The universe is saying, please avoid conflicts. Anything that brings conflicts to you, avoid it. Avoid it. You have a choice to make. Avoid anything conflicts. Virgos. We have the Knight of Cups, but there's an offer coming in, and there's a new beginning. Bottom of the deck, there's a new beginning here for you. There's an offer coming in for you from your Knight and Shining Armor. So I want to leave it here. Thank you so much, Virgos. I implore you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Help my channel to grow. Hit the notification bell so that you get updated whenever I post a new video. And thank you so much. I love you guys. Ciao. Bye.